these little metal pieces right here. Pro tip for you, it's gonna take a long time. That's the tip. There is no tip. The tip is that there is no tip, and that these little metal pieces, Carly got really frustrated and she started hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
All right, but she didn't hit me. She hit me verbally. Hey guys, what's going on? Cody here from Escapade Made. We are...
Good morning, Cody. How can I help?
You can be quiet, Siri. Okay guys, so today it's an exciting day. It's Friday morning at about 8:13 in the morning. So what we're gonna be doing today is I ordered the skin, basically the sheet metal for the sides of the bus, and I gotta go pick them up because...
Could you try again?
All right, Siri, let's calm it down a little bit. So I gotta go pick them up because we have a 3-day weekend coming up and the metal place isn't open during the weekend, and I want to get working on this weekend. I got to work at 11 here in like an hour and a half. So basically what I'm trying to say is that I got to kind of get my butt moving. Had to stop at the world's best gas station, Quick Trip, for some coffee. Can't do anything without my coffee. Alrighty, y'all, so we have the metal. It is a little crooked, which is kind of scary. This is 500 pounds. I don't know. I mean, this is a Harbor Freight trailer, so maybe someone could look it up. I think it's rated for 1,000. I got the cheaper one, so I'm feeling like it's rated for like 500 pounds. So we might be right at capacity. Also, it's really isn't good, but I should have a chain right here. That way, if this ever fails, the chain will catch it. You know, it's all right, dude. Look, we're just out here just trying to make something happen. So we're gonna see where we need to put this. I don't want to put it up on the bus. Each little sheet right here, I have 6 sheets. Each sheet weighs like 85 pounds. So maybe I'll just stow it up underneath the bus. I'm thinking I should just like put it up underneath here somewhere. I don't know. We'll see what I come up with. I thought I was recording, I guess I wasn't. But pretty much what I ended up doing was putting the metal pieces underneath. I was gonna put them up in here, but then I just thought I'm gonna take them out anyways because they're gonna go up against the sides of the bus. So I might as well keep them within close proximity. They're not directly on the ground. I have some 2x4s that they're laying on top of. That way, if it does rain, they won't get soaked and they won't rust. I mean, they're gonna be going against rain anyways at some point, so I'm not super worried about it. We are in a enclosed area. There's security cameras like all over this place, so if someone was to steal the metal, we would apprehend them. So we're gonna go ahead. It's like 10:40. I have 20 minutes to get back and clock in. This is a good little trip. I'm glad we got this before the weekend starts. Tomorrow we start taking down the windows, so I'll meet you guys then. Peace.
The next day.
So today we are working on skinning the bus. As you can see, there's a bunch of windows there. Hopefully by the end of the day, there will not be windows. So what are we doing today? We are gonna remove all the windows today, get this area nice and prepped and ready. I am doubtful that we'll actually start putting up the sheets today, but it's a 3-day weekend. Is it Labor Day or is it Memorial Day?
Labor.
Whatever the one is in September, I'm assuming that's Labor. Sorry, I don't know the actual date of Memorial Day. Veterans, don't kill me. This is probably gonna be a 2 or 3 day job. We're gonna try to knock it out by the end of Labor or Memorial Day, whatever's on Monday. It's a 3-day weekend, that's all I'm saying. So we're gonna have 3 days to do this. Carly has her 5K tomorrow, no, 10K tomorrow. So tomorrow in the morning, we're gonna go to her 10K, cheer her on. And then in the afternoon, we're gonna come here and continue working on this. So TBD, okay? So let's go ahead and get to taking out the windows in the bus. So a little pro tip for you, taking the windows out, very easy. Took a lot less time than I thought it would. But these little metal pieces right here, pro tip for you, it's gonna take a long time. That's the tip. There is no tip. The tip is that there is no tip, and that these little metal pieces, Carly got really frustrated and she started hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
All right, but she didn't hit me. She hit me verbally. Just joking. She didn't do anything. These took 5 ever. So getting these 13 little things out probably took us an hour and a half. Getting the windows out itself probably took us 30 minutes. So yeah, just be aware of that. Alrighty guys, so this actually has more demolition than I anticipated. So we've taken out the windows. We've taken out the yellow things that were right here. And then lastly is we have these little things down here. These are actually pretty easy to remove. Once you remove it, you really just have the sheet metal right here. So essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this new galvanneal steel. We're gonna put it up into here, as high as it'll go. And then we're gonna shove it down into there. And then we're gonna rivet these holes right here to where the galvanneal will go in between there and then up into there. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so we got all the stuff off. The only thing really left to do is cut the metal and then put it up. We have to take a couple of rivets off right here. That shouldn't be too hard. And we have to take off some rivets right here.
Stupid windows.
That'll be the end of this video. Next one, when we come back, we'll be skinning up the sides of the bus. So, well, if you guys enjoy this video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, or don't like, or don't comment, or don't subscribe. But we are out for now. Bye. French fries. Don't cry, get French fries. I don't know. It's kind of like don't take care, brush your hair, you know.